Financial planning helps you evaluate your current financial position. It also guides you in managing your financial resources to achieve your long term and short term goals. With proper financial planning, you will be able to make those informed decisions while choosing the investment avenues. In this video, let us review LIC new money back policy 25-year plan to check the suitability of the plan. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC new money back policy 25-year plan is a non-linked participating limited premium individual life assurance plan. Let us look at the main features. It has a fixed policy term of 25 years and fixed premium paying term of 20 years. Guaranteed survival benefits are given at periodic intervals. Maturity benefit includes bonus. Now let us look at the benefits under LIC new money back policy 25-year plan. Death benefit, sum assured on death along with vested simple revisionary bonus and final additional bonus, where sum assured on death is defined as higher of 125% of basic sum assured or 7 times the annualized premium or 105% of a total premium paid. Next, survival benefit, 15% of basic sum assured shall be payable at the end of each 5th, 10th, 15th, 20th policy years. Next, maturity benefit, 40% of sum assured will be paid along with any vested simple revisionary bonus and final additional bonus. Next, let us analyze the advantages and disadvantages of LIC new money back policy. Advantages: to enhance the cover, 4 rider options are available. Option to receive the death benefit and maturity benefit in installment. Rebate for high sum assured. Loan can be availed and the maximum loan amount is 90% of surrender value. Disadvantages: the survival benefit will not help to meet any big ticket expenses. The return on investment is low. The premium paying term and the policy term are fixed. LIC new money back policy offer maturity benefit and survival benefit to take care of your liquidity, but you should figure out the return before making an investment decision. The internal rate of return can be figured out by taking a quote from the portal. This number can be compared with other investment returns. A 30-year-old male opts for LIC new money back policy 25-year plan for a sum assured of rupees 5 lakhs. The policy term is 25 years and the premium paying term is 20 years. The annualized premium is 28,610. If he pays the premium regularly, he is eligible to get a survival benefit of rupees 75,000 each at the end of 5th, 10th, 15th and 20th policy years. At maturity, he receives the balance sum assured, that is rupees 2 lakhs, and accrued bonuses in addition to that. For this benefit illustration, it is assumed that the projected investment rate of return that LIC will be able to earn throughout the term of the policy will be 4% per annum or 8% per annum. They are not guaranteed and they are not the upper or lower limits of what you might get back. The maturity value under 4% scenario is 2.87 lakhs and the IRR calculation results in 0.29%. If you keep your money idle in your savings bank account, you will get better returns and the money is readily available to you. The maturity value under the 8% scenario is 6.25 lakhs and the IRR calculation results in 4.43%. This return is lower than any other debt instrument. Typically, a bank fixed deposit earns a better return than LIC new money back policy 25-year plan. You should also consider the impact of inflation on real returns. While money back policies provide a steady income, the real value of these returns may decrease over time due to inflation. Now let us explore alternatives to traditional money back policies and discover a world of diversified investment options. Money back policies generally offer guaranteed returns, ensuring that a certain percentage of sum assured is paid out at regular intervals. But there are other instruments that provide guaranteed returns, liquidity advantage, and also earn better returns than LIC new money back policy 25-year plan. Your financial success requires strategic investment choices tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Here are some alternatives to consider. Systematic investment plan in mutual funds. Investing in mutual funds through SIP allows you to regularly invest a fixed amount at predetermined intervals. Mutual funds offer diversification across various asset classes such as equities, debt, hybrid funds, catering to different risk profiles. Next, fixed deposit. Fixed deposits are a traditional and a low risk investment option. They offer a fixed interest rate over a specified period, providing stability in returns. Next, post office small savings schemes. Schemes like Public Provident Fund, National Savings Certificate, Senior Citizen Savings Certificates offered by the government provides fixed return with varying lock-in periods. These are considered safe investment options. A table given here will help you to navigate with better clarity as it provides you with the potential return of each investment avenue as of October 2023. This table throws light on some of the alternate investment options where you can yield better returns than LIC new money back policy 25-year plan. At the same time, you can also diversify your investment across different asset classes. This in turn can help you manage risk. We have reached the end part of our analysis. Final verdict. Money back plans are known for their periodic survival benefits. Under the LIC new money back policy 25-year plan, the policyholder receives the survival benefit 4 times, each of which is 15% of sum assured for every 5 years. The balance 40% of sum assured is receivable at the time of maturity. This can be beneficial to investors looking for periodic payouts. LIC new money back policy 25-year plan is a long-term investment vehicle. However, the returns from the plan will not help you cope up with the inflation in the long run. This plan is not suitable for investor in terms of life cover and investment as well. For life cover, you can opt for a pure term life insurance policy which offers high coverage at an affordable premium. Before making any investment decision, it is crucial to evaluate the plan. We have gathered up a few alternate investment options you can consider, but still choosing the option that best suits your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon is very important. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized insights based on individual circumstances. A detailed review of LIC new money back policy 25-year plan is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.